Well people, I just thought I'd show you this beastie. Finished it. Got the grapple arm on the back of it with a log. Outriggers to balance it. Full steering, which is operated from the rotator at the top here. You can see the steering in action. I'll just tilt the bonnet forward for you. Look at the engine. Underneath there is the engine. You can see as it goes forwards and backwards the pistons go up and down on it. You can see all the crankshaft working away underneath it there as well. It's got opening doors, tiltable sun visor, but the most interesting part of all is this. The outriggers are motorised. Here we have a switch which operates the boom arm. Now I can rotate this by turning the lever at the side here. Also it's got the grappling that we can open and shut. It does have a clutch built into it there, so it doesn't do any damage to it if you go beyond where you need to. And there you go.